Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh, Bahashem, Rakakwadash. Double honor to the apostles, the elders. Salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching in truth and in sincerity. This lesson will be entitled More Mandates. Lord, will you are edified. My source, Politico, and this article is entitled HHS Mandates Blank for Healthcare Workers, published on today's date 2 hours ago. The Department of Health and Human Services is requiring all of its front-facing healthcare employees to get blank against blank, making it the second federal department to mandate blank for a portion of its workforce. The policy announced Thursday will apply to more than 25,000 officials under HHS sprawling umbrella, including staff at the Indian Health Services and National Institutes of Health who operate health and clinical research facilities or could come into contact with patients. Our number one goal is the health and safety of the American public, including our federal workforce, and the blank are the best tool we have to protect people from blank, prevent the spread of the blank, and save lives. Let me jump down. There was another one, another point. Still, the requirement ultimately covered just a fraction of the department's entire workforce, which totals more than 80,000 employees across 11 operating divisions. The rest will be subject to a government-wide policy that requires workers to get blank or submit to a slew of precautions, including regular blank testing, mask wearing, and travel restrictions. Okay, so more mandates, all right? And again, that term mandate is nothing but a command or a judicial / legal order. Now, mandate literally means what? To give into one's hand. All right, so you have these agencies and these corporations along with these doctors, nurses, researchers, politicians, okay, entertainers, all right, news reporters. All of them does the bidding for the elite bankers. And therefore, the end goal is to get people to receive the MTOB, okay? Let's get Revelation 12:12. Therefore rejoice, ye heavens, and ye that dwell in them. Woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea, for the devil is come down unto you, the devil, and his physical counterpart on earth is Esau E, beginning with the nobility of Edom, okay? Because he know that he have but a short time to do what? Spoken of in Job chapter 5. And verse 12, he disappoint the devices of the crafty so that their hands cannot perform their enterprise. Esau is attempting to attain his enterprise, okay, going into the new world order, all right? Now, this new world order is nothing but a mechanism to get the birthright back, okay? But according to Job 5:12, this would never happen. Why? Because Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua will disappoint the devices of the crafty. And a device of the crafty is what? This pandemic, okay? Last precept, Isaiah 10:1, woe unto them that decree unrighteous decrees. And guess what? All the decrees come from where? Well, so like all the unrighteous decrees comes from the nobility of Edom. They control this entire system. Okay? Woe unto them that decree unrighteous decrees. All right? It has nothing to do with the laws, statutes, and the commandments of Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushua, and that right grievousness which they have prescribed. Because now we are coming into a time frame, if you don't have the vaccination, okay, you can no longer work, or you have to get weekly testings, okay, and continue to wear face masks. All right. Now, at the same time frame, eventually that's going to phase out, and you're going to have it, or you will not be able to work, and therefore, if you are fired, all right, you are breaking company's policy, and therefore you will not be eligible for unemployment. And guess what? Just right around the corner, Revelation 13 and 16. Lord will, you're edified. Shalom.